As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I saw those. They're both tabletop propane grills, right? What are you planning to cook?
I want something for searing steaks mostly, but also some burgers and maybe even pizza.
Okay, well, the Bighorn is all about that high heat searing. It hits 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit thanks to its infrared burner. The Nexgrill only puts out 28,000 BTUs across 2 burners.
Wow, 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. That sounds intense. But does that mean the Nexgrill can't sear well?
The Nexgrill will sear, but it won't get that super crispy crust like the Bighorn. The Nexgrill is more about general grilling. It has a 401 square inch cooking area, which is way bigger than the Bighorn's 143 square inches.
Good point. I do like the idea of cooking more at once. How about build quality?
Both are stainless steel, so they should be durable. The Nexgrill also uses porcelain-coated cast iron for the grates, which is a nice touch for even heating and easy cleaning. The Bighorn is completely dishwasher safe, which is a major plus.
Dishwasher safe is definitely appealing. What about portability?
The Bighorn is smaller and lighter, at around 31 pounds, so it's easier to move around. The Nexgrill is a bit bulkier at 70 pounds, but it has foldable side tables, which is useful for prep space.
Okay, so Bighorn for searing and easy cleaning, Nexgrill for general grilling and more space. What about price?
The Bighorn is around $200, while the Nexgrill is in the $265 range right now.
Decisions. I think I'm leaning towards the Bighorn for that intense searing power. I can always use my indoor oven for bigger cooks. Thanks for the help.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.